Why is my design space not working? Issue solved. Method 1. Check for update. Step 1. Open the App Store or Play Store on your device and search for the Cricut Design app. Step 2. If a new Cricut Design Space update is available, then install it. Method 2. Reinstall the Design Space app. Step 1. Open your control panel and click on Programs and Features. Step 2. Find and select the Cricut Design app, then click on the Uninstall button. Step 3. Click on OK to uninstall. Step 4. Open your Windows C. Step 5. Open the Users folder, then click on the User folder with your login name. Step 6. Click the file with the name .Cricut Design Space, then open the local data folder. Step 7. Select and delete all the files and folders. Note: ensure your projects are saved somewhere. Step 8. Search design.cricut.com in your browser. Check the I agree box and click on Download. Step 9. Go to File Explorer, then download and open the application. Step 10. After installation, sign in. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.